here in Verbier, Switzerland for the final stop of the Freeride World Tour. We're here for the legendary Verbier Extreme. Had a little incident yesterday involving Kaj and myself.
Went up to the top. We were a crew of 7 people and I was the first. Traversing under Bec de Ross and we were looking up the lines.
Within 3 seconds I look up and this huge avalanche is coming right down on us.
Oh, look at the people. Look
Pretty much half the Bec de Ross slid.
First reaction was to just get away.
We all just started scrambling for our lives.
I was just thinking, ski to a safe spot, ski to a safe spot, you know, ski away from it. Turn around and skied away, traversing right because the avalanche is on my left side. And then in the next chute over came an even bigger avalanche from that too.
He was completely engulfed by the avalanche.
So I just straight out my skis. Lucky as I was, I found this ridge and the 2 avalanches broke on both sides of it.
Didn't know if Kaj was all right. We started taking our beacons out and trying to look for him.
I thought Cody was ahead of me and I was already taking out my transceiver trying to find Cody, but then he showed up like, Kaj! And I was like, Cody!
All of a sudden we hear him screaming like, oh my God! Came up, give Kaj a hug like, oh my God, you're still with us. Like, it was a scary moment.
So lucky to ski out of it. That's how it is sometimes in the big mountains.
The avalanche conditions prevented us from going on the Bec de Ross where they typically hold the Verbier Extreme. And so we decided to move the venue to Montgelée, which is right behind us.
Luckily, the women get to run first, so it'll be nice to have the first choice on fresh snow.
Elise just won, 3rd win in a row. I mean, she just won the World Tour title.
The feeling is just awesome. My goal was to go after the world title this year and to accomplish it. Feels really good.
Top of Montgelée, looking down at my line. I got a big air that I'm getting psyched for. Not sure about the landing. Looks a little on the flatter side and a little hard, but I think I got it. Stay forward and stomp. Went huge off the first run. Oh, that was fun.
Final of the Verbier Extreme. I have butterflies all over in my body. I'm pretty tense. I have a mandatory big cliff on the middle, but the landing looks really good, so I think it's gonna be fun. past the finish line, you scream out and you're like laughing and speaking like this for a couple of hours, you know. Good! Yeah! I stomped the shit out of it! Oh.
Actually had a rough start this year. I kept having some weird little falls, crashes, things that in the last couple of years I haven't done. So my confidence was a little low and I've been building it back up. So to get third is pretty sweet.
To win here in Verbier Extreme, it's the best thing for me. I mean, it's the goal of the year for me to ski good here, and when I succeed that, it's the best sensation ever.
The tight pants are sagging and the tall tees are dragging here at Mammoth, California for the Solomon Jib Academy Finals. Best week ever!